I will discharge all the duties of a police officer according to law without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
I am confident that the performance of your duties, as you perform them, you will also observe the rule of law, functioning within the dictates of the Constitution. I urge you to foster close working relations and trust between the police and the people and communities that the police serve.
Sisi kama kikosi cha polisi tuko tu tayari kuhudumia nchi yetu tukufu ambaye ni nchi nzuri. DIG ambaye ni commander wa Kenya Police Service sau ameapa atahudumia nchi yetu bila woga na kuipenda, and that is the commitment I'm aware of every policeman or policewoman.
As the commander of the Kenya Police Service, today he also doubles as a commissioner and as a human resource officer for the members of the police service, both civilian and uniformed, working in the Kenya Police Service. The work before you, DIG, is clearly cut. You will find an entry full of many matters for officer, many matters of personnel, many matters that require commission decision. Kindly fast track those matters to ensure that we make the work of the court easy